It's not bad. It is not bad. That's awesome. So basically we're gonna make paneer butter masala. So right now we're just barely getting started, and we have all the spices in here, which there's coriander powder, garam masala, chili powder, and sugar. Okay, and then here we have the cashews, tomatoes, onions, bay leaves, cardamom, cloves, and then the ginger garlic paste, salt, and then that's all the stuff, and then the garlic. So we're gonna see if we're gonna fail or we're just gonna see how this turns out. So we already preheated the pan, and there's oil in there and cardamom. So what's after that? Huh? Just dump them in? Yeah. Wow. That's nice. Yeah. So ready? Then goes the tomatoes. Wow. Oh wow. Here is what it's looking like. Not sure if that's correct, but well. And it says next add in all the spices and the cashew nuts. Okay. So in here we have all of the spices. And here we have the cashews. So once this gets mushy, then we'll add everything else. Which I feel like now it's the time. So here we go. Hot. It is super hot. The kitchens in the States usually have some sort of cooling system, like a vent, AC vent. Golly, it is hot.
It says to fry it so onion masala leaves the side of the pan, and the masala turns aromatic. I think it's pretty much like that.
Yeah, because the water ice isn't there.
And then you just turn it off and cool it completely. So.
You ready?
Yep. So let it cool, and then we'll come back.
So here's how it's looking. Not bad for a foreigner. Not bad. So we have to wait for it to cool down, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that it's cooled, we're gonna transfer this into the blender. And we're gonna puree it. And then in here we have the rice.
It's just one cup. I'm scared to double clean.
I know.
Hello.
Go.
Should it be more runnier?
No. It's supposed to be a thick paste. Looks like salsa. Yeah, we'll check the video to see if it's accurate enough.
Yeah, we don't have cinnamon, so we'll just do the cloves, green cardamom, and bay leaf.
Okay.
And stir, 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 stir for 1 to 2 minutes. And then the ginger garlic paste. Because this one you have to be careful because you don't want this to burn because it says it'll leave a really bitter taste.
Oh wow! Oh, that's scary. So we have the butter, the bay leaf, the cardamom, and the cloves.
Paneer.
There's the paneer. My mom's gonna go ahead and start cutting that up. And we are a little bit over halfway done. The mixture we have over here actually smells really good. I am shocked. That is an amazing smell. And then now we're kind of frying in butter the other spices, or you would call them not spices, but spices. Full spices. And it smells nice.
You can do this one in there now.
So now we're gonna add the garlic ginger paste.
And that one you have to be careful with because that's what you don't want to burn.
Yeah. And it says, on a low flame, saute the ginger garlic paste till the raw smell goes away. Alright, that doesn't seem too bad. Oh, this is where it's all gonna come together.
It still smells, so just keep mixing. Just don't stop.
Okay. I'm gonna bring the camera a little closer.
And then you want to bring the heat a little lower.
Okay. Yeah.
Keep on. Okay, I think that's good.
Okay.
Let's switch spots so you can see this.
So in goes the. Ooh. Woo! Wow. That looks great. That really does look great.
Mix.
Oh, that smells fantastic. My goodness graciousness. So we just added another
1/4 of a teaspoon chili powder.
Yeah. Smell it. Smell it. Woohoo! Wow. And there's the paneer. Yeah. We should make chai just to go with it. No, it's too hot for chai. Honestly, summer's coming up in Kerala in March. And in Texas, when it's summertime, that's like the time of iced tea. That's like the season of iced tea. And the sweet tea that we have in the States, it's like black chai, but iced. And it is the best. Texas sweet tea is the bomb biggity. Like, it is. What? I know it's an old man word, but it's super hot. I feel like what was my spirit animal? Okay, in one of my first videos, I had said my spirit animal was a naked mole rat, and I am feeling that right now. Woo. All right, let's add the paneer.
Shall we?
Yep.
Ooh. Next, I want to make tikka paneer. Oh, it's so good.
Definitely. Just. Now that looks pretty good. Not bad for a Mexican.
And a white girl.
And a white girl.
A white chicken.
A white chicken. I feel like the cubes are a little bit big, but that's
me
fine.
too. I feel the same way. I feel like it needs.
We're letting that cook, and Mom's working on that white rice. And then we have the coriander, and then we have the cream. And yes, I am sitting on the counters. I shouldn't be doing this, but just a little piece of it.
Yummy?
Oh wow,
Yum?
that's good. We added the extra chili powder, and that was like, it makes it not super spicy, but like a really, really good spice that, like, you know, tingles in your throat. So that is some good stuff. So now we're just gonna add the cream into our little concoction. Cream has been added. I feel like I put a little bit, not too much, but that's good. Coriander, aka cilantro, or as the white person says, cilantro. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Water, not. I like it thick.
That?
Yeah, that's great.
I'm gonna take a picture of it.
Yeah.
Joshua, are you gonna have some?
Yeah.
Look at it. Turn the lights on. Get my water in the freezer because I like cold water. I like iced. Woo! I mean, it doesn't look like your average paneer butter masala.
Get out, Cooper.
But, you know, don't judge a book by its cover, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, time to taste it. Alright, here we go. This is gonna be interesting. It's still a little bit hot. The rice is hot. But, yeah, I'll just kind of like That's not bad. The cubes are humongous, but that's the only, you can always like squish it in half. Honestly,
Just let it cool down.
yeah, I'm impatient, so I'm gonna put my first. It's not bad. It is not bad.
Let Josh be the judge.
Yeah, we'll let Josh be the judge. He's waiting for it to cool down a bit.
Pretty good. I like it. I would like it to be spicy.
It's not
The cream made it less spicy.
It's like more sweet.
Because when I had first tasted it, it was the perfect spice ever. But then we added the cream, and the cream made it.
You can add chili powder to it if you want.
Yeah, the cream made it less spicy. All right, Mom. Let's see what she thinks. It is hot.
Super.
It's not bad, right?
It's aww.
You got cardamom? A clove? Oh no! But overall, it tastes good, right?
It's very good.
So we're gonna devour this up, and yeah, that's it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was our first time making paneer butter masala, and it was not perfect. If anything we would change, we would not put the cream in. We would make the paneer smaller and the coriander a little bit more finely chopped. So there was a lot of mistakes we made, but hey, that's how life is. You make mistakes and you learn from them. So for the comment shout out, it's gonna go to Millionaire Who Should Be a Billionaire. On my last video, when I met Luke, he said, the great Australian meets the great American in Great Kerala. I just thought that was pretty cool. No one's ever called me a great American before, so that was nice. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. And I'm still taking in questions for my Q&A. I have like maybe 2 or 3 more videos to post. Then I will be posting my my questions and answers. So drop down your questions. Nalle kanaam. Oh yeah, put down some like cool Malayalam words you want me to learn, and I'll try to say them in my next video. So yeah, just as long as they're appropriate words. I will not be using foolish Malayalam words. So thanks for watching. Nalle kanaam. See you guys in my next video. Bye.